everything a test of Allah?
But that's the question, that is everything a test of Allah? This life is a test. Sometimes we are self-create problem for us. We are self-create problems for us. So this life, brother, is a test for the hereafter.
Then you mean to say that nobody reaches heaven because to hell is human.
The brother said that if that's the case, then nobody reaches heaven because it is human to her. And I agree with you, brother. I agree with you totally. It is human to her. Everyone will make a mistake. That's the reason our beloved Prophet said, and I mentioned in my talk on the second day, that no one can enter Jannah without the grace and the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I said that in my talk. That we human beings make mistake, but Allah is forgiving. He is Ghafoor, He is Rahim, He is merciful, He is beneficent, and He forgives His people. But even He has rules and regulations. Even He Himself doesn't just say, okay, fine, you look good, I forgive you, you don't look good, I don't forgive you. He has got His rules and regulations for the human being mentioned in the Quran. So, you can only go to Jannah with the mercy of Almighty God. If Almighty God catches every mistake of yours and gives you a negative point and gives you a positive point for all the good deeds that you do, then no human being will enter Jannah, not even Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. That's what the Prophet said. It's a hadith of the Prophet. It's mentioned in the Quran that Allah will multiply your good deeds by 10 times. But a wrong thing will only count as one. So because of this mercy of Almighty God, He forgives many of His mistakes. The only thing which will not forgive, it's mentioned in the Quran in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse 48, and Surah Nisa, chapter 4, verse 116, that the sin which Allah will never forgive is the sin of shirk, associating partner with Almighty God. Any other sin, if He wants, He may forgive you. Because associating partner with Almighty God is a sin which is the biggest of them. Hope that answers the question.